Sigiriya is a famous ancient site in Sri Lanka. Sigiriya is a famous ancient site in Sri Lanka.
It is also known as Lion Rock. It is also known as Lion Rock. Sigiriya is located in the central part of Sri Lanka. Sigiriya is located in the central part of Sri Lanka. The rock is about 200 meters tall. The rock is about 200 meters tall. King Kashyapa built Sigiriya in the 5th century. King Kashyapa built Sigiriya in the 5th century. He made Sigiriya his palace. He made Sigiriya his palace. The fortress is built on top of the rock. The fortress is built on top of the rock. There is a big lion-shaped gateway at the entrance. There is a big lion-shaped gateway at the entrance. Only the lion's paws remain today. Only the lion's paws remain today. Sigiriya has beautiful frescoes on its walls. Sigiriya has beautiful frescoes on its walls. These frescoes show women holding flowers. These frescoes show women holding flowers. The frescoes are more than 1,500 years old. The frescoes are more than 1,500 years old. Sigiriya has a special mirror wall. Sigiriya has a special mirror wall. Ancient poems were written on the mirror wall. Ancient poems were written on the mirror wall. Visitors can still see these poems today. Visitors can still see these poems today. The palace ruins are at the top of the rock. The palace ruins are at the top of the rock. There are gardens around the base of Sigiriya. There are gardens around the base of Sigiriya. The gardens include water, fountains, and pools. The gardens include water, fountains, and pools. Sigiriya was a royal city long ago. Sigiriya was a royal city long ago. It had streets, walls, and buildings. It had streets, walls, and buildings. Sigiriya is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sigiriya is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Many tourists visit Sigiriya every year. Many tourists visit Sigiriya every year. The climb to the top takes about 1 hour. The climb to the top takes about 1 hour. The view from the top is very beautiful. The view from the top is very beautiful. You can see the whole surrounding area from there. You can see the whole surrounding area from there. Sigiriya is important for history and archaeology. Sigiriya is important for history and archaeology. This site shows ancient Sri Lankan engineering skills. This site shows ancient Sri Lankan engineering skills. Sigiriya was a safe place during wars. Sigiriya was a safe place during wars. The king used Sigiriya as his fortress and palace. The king used Sigiriya as his fortress and palace. Sigiriya is one of Sri Lanka's top tourist attractions. Sigiriya is one of Sri Lanka's top tourist attractions. The rock is also a natural landmark. The rock is also a natural landmark. The frescoes are painted with natural colors. The frescoes are painted with natural colors. Sigiriya is also famous for its architecture. Sigiriya is also famous for its architecture. The water gardens show advanced technology. The water gardens show advanced technology. Visiting Sigiriya is an unforgettable experience. Visiting Sigiriya is an unforgettable experience.